Do you often say that you don't enough time for what you have to do? If so, in this video I will share with you the truth of whatever this is a myth and how you can cope with. Time is the instrument needed to do what you have to or what you shouldn't. Time is the dream of every appropriate person. In this video I am going to share with you time is what we want most but also what we use worst. Elon Musk's truth about the clean home in 30 days or 3 hours. We control our time. Stop mentioning that you haven't time. Practical tips for coping with the I don't have time problem. Time is a muscle. First, I will discuss a phrase which belonged to British politician William Penn, who lived in the 17th century. He said that time is what we want most but also what we use worst. I fully agree with this because it's absolutely right. The thing we always talk about is the lack of the time and the most serious reason which causes the bad usage of time. When we disperse our time and don't appreciate it, we justify with the phrase I don't have any time. But the truth is that the problem is only in us. We are the people who have to organize our time, only we. Good organizing of time is a skill everyone wants, but unfortunately every few of us have. To give an example with the person who possesses the second greatest wealth, Elon Musk, he has once said if you give yourself 30 days to tidy your home, you will need 30 days. Still, if you give yourself only 3 hours, it will take you 3 hours. That is really true because it all depends on our mind and how we think about it. If we are most organized, we will have more time to spend doing our tasks or our favorite activities. We can love dancing, cooking, or tracking the movements on the stock market. Those are examples of things which made our hobbies. Still, we are obligated to save time for them. The only way to do that is excellent productivity. Suppose you want to know how productivity works and how it's explained in the equation. In that case, you can watch my video about the equation of productivity. You can find the link forward you directly to the video in the description section also, or the top right corner. We all know that we control our whole time. How we will spend it is our self-choice. If we decide to lose it doing nothing, chatting with a person who isn't very lovely for us, or reviewing what is newly uploaded on social media, that is our decision. But if we choose to use it to improve our professionally or in a personal plan, that is our choice too. I'm constantly asked the question how to be more productive. I have made videos and given many helpful tips, but one of the most essential pieces of advice is to stop mentioning that you haven't time, saying that you try to claim yourself down, searching for the reason for your unproductiveness somewhere else but not in you. The brain is a unique organ. It makes you happy when you are very productive and you cope with the assigned tasks, and calms when you are unproductive. So don't be calm. Fight with the low productivity. Try avoid using the phrase I don't have time, and when you offer you something useless for your improvement to do, decline the invasion, saying for an example, I have more prior activities, so I will kindly decline your invasion, or something like that, but never I don't have time. Using this sentence, you can slap your face figuratively and tell yourself not to blame the time for your low productivity. Before we continue to discuss the existing topic, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel and to click the bell. Thank you about that. Now I want to share some tips to help you cope with the I don't have time problem. First, as explained moments ago, remove the phrase I don't have time from your brain directionally. Secondly, for a few days or a week or a month or as long as you want, write your activities done at the day with the spent time for them in a notebook. That's how you can see where you can optimize your tasks and activities, how you can make them faster, and comparing all the day in the notebook. You can rate the daily spent of your single day. Today you are very concentrated and did you have to do, so you can give yourself an excellent mark. However, every day you are disorganized and spend all your time on social media or in front of the TV, so the daily mark would be bad. For example, we sleep between 6 and 9 hours per day, to say 8 hours. So we have 16 hours left. Some of us are students and go to school, others are employed full hours to give for these activities 9 hours. So we will still even 7 hours free, but now, do we spend them? Are we wasting time? We will know that after we check our daily time spending, so that's why I fully recommend you making daily notes and all you spend time on. I will be very happy in case you let me know you spent your about 7 hours left. You can write me a comment below in the video. I want to show you an amazing analogy for a time with a muscle. That is the truth, because the more we train the muscle, the bigger it becomes. And then if we stop training, the muscle recovers its previous smallest. The same is valid with time. If we regularly make efforts to organize our time, it will seem more significant for us. The opposite is also true. That's how these things are similar. In this video, I explained you the phase I don't have time, and we categorically can confirm that it's a myth. Hopefully the video was helpful for you. Bye for now, and don't stop improving your productivity.